How can I read an HTML elements text using JavaScript text content? Imagine clicking on a web page and wanting to grab the words inside a specific part of it. That's where JavaScript and the element properties come into play. Today, we're focusing on how to read the text inside an HTML element using the textContent property. This property is part of the document object model, which is a way JavaScript interacts with web page elements. When you use textContent, it gives you all the text inside an element, including nested elements, but it leaves out any HTML tags. So if you have a paragraph with a span inside, textContent will give you the combined text from both. To get the text, you simply select the element first. For example, you can use document getElementById or document query selector to find your element. Once you have it, you just write element textContent. And it returns the text as a string. If you want to change what's inside the element, you can assign a new string to textContent. For example, element textContent is equal to hello world will replace everything inside that element with the new text. Let's look at a quick example. Say you have a paragraph with an id of my paragraph and some nested text inside. You can write a function that runs when you click a button. Inside that function, you get the paragraph element with document, getElementById, my paragraph. Then you log the textContent to the console. When you click the button, it shows all the text inside that paragraph, including the nested span text. Remember, textContent pulls in all the text from the element and its children, but it ignores any HTML tags. If you want to see the HTML content instead, you'd use inner HTML. But for just the plain text is your best friend. It's especially useful when you need to read user input, extract data from a web page, or prepare content for further processing. Keep in mind that textContent includes hidden text as well, so if some parts are hidden with CSS, they will still be included. If you want to get only the visible text as it appears on the screen, then inner text might be better. But for most cases where you want all the text inside an element, textContent is simple and reliable. So, next time you want to grab the words inside an element, remember to use the textContent property. It's quick, straightforward, and works seamlessly with the DOM to help you manipulate web page content easily.